So xa uyitsala kwelacala kwesistrata sikaBhakania.
Yes.
Ndibambile.
Phindele ngapha.
Ndibambile. Yes.
So my dad stuck around like for a very long time, unemployed. It was very tough for them. There's a funny story about Balisa, yabo. Well, go bahlala kwaShushu ne benikwe indawo that Shushu and stuff. Ibise irank yase Roadport.
Ngiyakhumbula kahle nje, it's vivid.
So njengoba kusokhiwa pha ne utashutshu wayesokhi qhabe ngekaqebi lanto yakhe.
Ngiyakhumbula nje leso siphithiphithi se building.
So banikwe le ndawo nexa benikwa le ndawo apparently le ndawo bayinikwayo ine oddrop ezifolileyo, so lidonga labo elo. And then apha ngaphandle estratweni ne kukho nethi izenke abalibekileyo ngentla kwenhloko zabo.
Nani imvula ke ngokune wardrobe Nkosi yami.
Yafika imvula la kwizinki.
Dizawuthini?
Ko lethu mamela mama. Roadport don't. Xa uyivela close land, xa isiva jongiwe ngabantu. Baphandle ngabantu.
Kodwa ke abantu kuthene into bengenabuntu bayobavusa. Elizinki alikhange likhonjelwe.
Tu lelivele lawa nje gqu phansi. I understand of which those are the stories that my mom tells most of the time. Like say we came from this, then they moved to Escota camp ngase baqale apha ngase clinic. Ekuthiwa ngakwaDlamini. Basuswa ngakwaDlamini baswa ngase Eskom.
Ndiyakhumbula.
Yes, bahlala pha ngase Eskom.
Taking me very far.
That's how far I come.
Yeah.
That's how far I've come, and by the time it was this Escota camp nje uyabo abantu beziphilela, I understand betsalela noimbani. It was just a normal situation.
Before kufika nabo bayibiza le ndawo le iHoma Queen.
Homa Queen,
yeah. Into
zangoku, I understand. So they moved, then Poise arrived, became a counselor, started, making e-settlements zemaibu and stuff. Believe you me, indlela umama ayibalisa ngayo bana bam indlela ebe ndingayithandi ngayo situation ebe ndikuyo. I was the first person ne kuba bonke abantu elistini ababizwe abanye besithi bayodibanisa intontoni bafuna umove in ne-fence nentontona. Mina bengayicingi ne-fence, into endayicinga yi-transport.
Okay.
Akuthwala umkhukhu wami siye kulaa ndawo kuthiwa yeyam siyofaka pha first day ithe xa igqiba nethi kuthiwa nantsi inamba yakho iphumile. Same time she went.
Wafika ba umhlali wokuqala.
Yes, the first residence, and the place grew. We moved there I think 2000. Yeah, 2000. And then 2001 my sister was born, my little sister. I have actually 3
and when I go 2000 ubuna 3 years shame. Oh, but yeah, that is why you cannot recall.
No, 97. 97.
And 2000 ubuna 3.
2000, yeah, when I was 3 years.
But yeah, 2000.
So when I moved in there, we started, growing up with the place, whatsoever. There's a story that I want. But this is one of the stories that made me to, get this life thing at the very young age.
Yes.
I was 7 years old, with no choice. My parents had to go for work. My mom had to come back to Emaplazi,
Khona apha Lions Park. So nishiyeka nabani ke ngunini?
Mna ndishiyeka ndisesigela kaloku.
Ethuthuzekani.
My mom had to take my little sister ahambe nayo. So my dad couldn't take care of me because bevuka kusalelo fundini, yabo. Abuye kusalelo eSpan, yabo. So
and that was his first job.
Yes, I understand. And it job like impatalayo, like into ebonakalayo.
Akwazi uba maka provide.
You get my point. So ndayohlala pha eBlokwane, yabo. So I lived with my mom's cousin and umakhulu.
Khona phayana kule ndawo sithetha ngayo.
Yeah. And nomakhulu kaLentuza kamama.
Okay.
It was 2004. I think lando yobana, TLC.
So badlile kalongo 2004 una 7 years.
I was 7, yabo. So lando yobana ke ngoku like kunala TLC it's done. I understand. I think around April or March. Yabo. And we are uniform amahlanjwanga, you understand, like the agreement. And okay, fine. And the uniform, yabo. Dizenze lezo zinto no and war.
Yeah, walk uyethutuzekana.
Yeah. I mean, we grew up like that team. Yeah, but we used to walk even further, call Moses and stuff.
Nabendi walk up from there, so even ndamendi ekagiso ejuni.
You get it. Yeah. You get that. So, Tina, by that time, I think we lived in an age whereby
and it was normal.
Very normal.
And unobubetho ngumama se next door akho umuntu uzobiza amapolice
We'll get that.
no confront ukuthi oh ingane yami le ngiyasalela umntana nje bekhuliswa i-community.
Yeah. So one night I came back. I came late. I was around 7:30 because bekusadlala indaba by the time ndayiva TV mos.
Vele kaloku indaba ne generations ayizinto zange
yeah. So ndifika xa ndifika yamane utshixiwa mnyango ntsimbi, like literally mnyango ntsimbi. Uyabona ukutshixole phakathi manga kukhona abantu baphakathi. No response.
Ise RDP okanye yinkukhu.
No response.
Indaba zazidlala ngo-7:30.
Yes. Yabo. Hayi man, ziphele indaba. Tsi. Jololo umnyango uvula. Hetha, usethi nango. Yabo. Uphele generation, uphele generation kufaka umuva. I still hate that song nango. No, because I still hate that song because it shoots me back there. I think that's where I started spending time in the streets. April.
Like, what do you mean when you say spending time in the streets?
Like
so it means that
own.
walala ngaphandle. But you have to go to school the following day.
I did.
So uzavulelwa ekuseni xa sewuzohlamba uye.
I did it on my own.
What do you mean?
I went to the streets. I lived in the street. There was these big pipes. Outline.
Yeah.
We used to live there with my friends.
Esikoleni uyanini unxibe iphi
I
uniform?
do go to school.
Ngeyiphi uniform?
Ndihamba ngayo. There was this jersey that I had. Yama dice. Yabo? It was a bit grayish. Man, yazibona eza jersey man.
Zezi ze principal zakudala yeah.
Yes, yazibona
no bra kwa rhythm
but yami yayingena amaqhosha. Phelele nje. You understand? With this big afro.
Sezazithengwe sales house kudala.
Zezawi yabo bronze sihlango singaka mfethu ndimnandi
bronze vele iqinile ke leyana
ndiyabangena. The amazing part is I still ask myself even today, but I got the answer. I went to school just because there's food. And bisaqala ke feeding scheme by that time bekhupha umamba etuzeka ntwa ngumampinga. She used to serve us, that woman.
Mama mlo kaloku isiduko sami.
No.